Chris Ryan here from Ryan's Rod & Custom, the 2018 SEMA show. This year we brought a 1956 Continental Mark II here. This car is kind of special. It belonged to Susan Hayworth, the actress from the 40s and 50s originally, and I picked it up off a Craigslist find on the other side of Atlanta. Being an old school custom guy, I kind of wanted to pay homage to the old school customizers, the Winfields, the Barris, the Agostinos. So we built it like you would a 60s or 70s style custom. First thing we did was we got a Fat Man front clip, grafted it to it, used Rytec shockwaves on all four corners, and we have the Rytec air ride system underneath it. For the engine and drivetrain, we have a 5.0 Ford Racing Coyote engine, a 6R80 transmission, all with Ron Francis harness for the engine and body harness. Inside the car, Chuck Hanna from Mooresville handled the interior. Has 64, 65 T-Bird bucket seats, 1960 Chrysler Astrodome dash, and a 61 Plymouth steering wheel. And of course we have the white tuck and roll that was so prevalent in the customs in the 60s and 70s. On the outside of the body, we chopped it 2 inches, took 3/4 of an inch out of the hat, took the hump, the iconic hump off the Continental trunk on the rear, extended the rockers, extended the quarters, tucked the bumpers, nose, deck, shaved it, and did all the custom mods from the day. The wheels were one-off wheels by Mike Curtis. They're actually a 20-inch wheel. It looks like an original 15-inch wire hubcap with a large wide white wall, but the reality is it's a 20-inch wheel, which allows us to fit the large master power brakes behind it. I guess we debuted a car in Detroit, and we were pleased to get a grade 8 with it. Since then, it's been to Syracuse and won the Winfield Award, the 777 Award, and now we're out here at SEMA. So that'll probably wrap it up for us for the show season with this car. Chris Ryan, Ryan's Rod & Custom in 96, South Carolina.